Hello everyone, Siraj is back with another video. I'm your professional engineer and technical manager at ACA TMetrix. TMetrix is a leading distributor in Canada for test and measurement instrumentation along with design tools. Today, I'll talk to you about the Hioki MR8875, which is a powerful data acquisition recorder. I'll go through its features, benefits, and applications. This portable tester is a high-speed waveform monitoring and recording device that can simultaneously measure multiple physical phenomena such as voltage, current, temperature, vibration, acceleration, rotation, and weight. How it works is you simply install these input modules into the slots right here according to your specific measurement requirements, with 4 to choose from: analog, voltage and temperature, strain, and CAN bus for vehicle testing. Measurement capabilities range from 16 analog channels to 60 thermocouple temperature channels. The MR8875 can simultaneously measure all channels in as little as 2 microseconds. Reports can also be generated onto a computer. Now, let's take a look at this unit while in operation. We have the MR8875 here, which is connected to a signal generator. The display is showing the time on the x-axis and the voltage on the y-axis, with the waveform in the center. There's touchscreen for intuitive operation. You can swivel this 180 degrees if you like for more flexibility. You can do real-time saving to an SD card in high resolution by inserting it into the slot right here. A trigger is applied when an input signal crosses the specified threshold voltage. The T over here indicates a trigger point as the time at which a trigger is applied. My friends, there are several applications for this recorder. Here are some of them. First, you can use it for development of construction machinery, agriculture machinery, and automobiles. The MR8875 has enhanced vibration and temperature resistance, which enables it to withstand harsh measurement environments. Secondly, you can use it for inverter and motor testing. Measure and capture waveforms from the primary and secondary sides of UPS power supplies and commercial power supply transformers. Thirdly, research and development or science experiments, where you can do durability and performance testing. Another application is testing of EV batteries. You can measure the voltage of individual battery cells. This instrument can directly measure signals up to 1000 volts DC. Also, you can test power equipment such as load rejection and circuit breaker. Lastly, electric utilities rely on pressure transmitters to help monitor and manage critical processes from combustion and steam generation to cooling and emissions control. Pressure transmitters depend for its accuracy on being calibrated to a range that corresponds to application needs. Therefore, the MR8875 can be used for verifying response times, such as damping of pressure transmitter during calibration and monitoring signals during troubleshooting. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe button so we can bring you more technical content. If you'd like to know more about this instrument or TMetrix, you can reach me at siraj@aca.ca. Thanks for watching.
Contact us to get a free consultation today or to request quote.